Google ad retargeting, top 7 rules to follow for success. In this video, I'm going to give you the top 7 rules that you need to follow to get real success with ad retargeting in Google. At the end of this video, you'll be able to create these ads with ease, and we're getting started right now. Hey, JR Fisher here. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Go down there and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and ring the bell. Smash that little bell notification there and turn on all notifications. I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars of both physical and digital products. And on this channel, I teach you how to start, run, and grow your online business. My products are sold on thousands of websites, including Walmart. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus. I've got an e-commerce course valued at $97 that you can get absolutely free. Okay, let's face it, there's millions of people making millions of dollars online, and the only difference in them and you is having the right tools and knowing what to do. So have you already tried to do some retargeting ads? What were your experiences? Or do you have questions about doing retargeting ads? Put all your comments in the section below. I would love to see them. Now, there's no replacement for paid SEO. However, there are ways that you can augment that SEO, that organic SEO, by using paid traffic. It also helps you to give that customer a better user experience because of the information that they're seeing is actually targeted towards them. Now, one tactic that has really taken off in the past few years is ad retargeting. As a matter of fact, if you use display ads and retarget the people who've already been to your site, we've seen a 70% increase in conversions and sales. Now, to navigate this kind of complicated process, I've put together 7 steps to help you navigate your retargeting campaigns. Number 1, you've got to understand how retargeting works. When somebody visits your site, they actually get a cookie on their computer. Now, this cookie follows them around the internet so that when you run ads, they will actually see your ads, and you can target the people who've already visited your site. This enables you to stay in touch with the people who've already shown some interest in your products or services. Number 2, avoid ad exhaustion. And what I mean by that is, through ad retargeting, you can definitely target those people who've been to your website, but you can also limit the number of ads they see too. Most all retargeting ads will allow you to say, I only want this person to see my ad 2 times or 3 times over the next week or month, and that way they don't get ad exhaustion and see your ads all the time. Number 3, deploy audience segmentation. And what I mean by this is, through ad retargeting, you can send ads to them based on how many spots they've hit on your website and how far into the sales process they are. For example, if somebody already bought from you, you may want to show them different types of products. If somebody hasn't bought but they are interested in a particular product, of course you'd want to show them ads for that particular product. Number 4, determine ad duration. How long do you actually want to target these people? Most people will tell you targeting people with ads should be about the same length of time as your actual sales sequence. So if you normally email somebody for 3 or 4 days, you may want to just let them see your ads for 3 or 4 days. You can then take a break, maybe a month, 2 months, and then go back and retarget those people again. Number 5 is freshen up your ad creative. One of the problems with running ads to people in retargeting is some companies will use the same ad over and over and over. With ad retargeting, you can actually freshen up that ad by changing the images, changing the titles, changing what the ad actually says, and that way it looks a little bit new and different to them, and you can increase your overall sales. Number 6, know your ad sizes. Now, dependent upon where they see the ad, if it's on the sidebar, the top of a page, whatever, you may want to change up your ad sizes. Changing up the ad size makes the ad look a little bit different and keeps the interest of that person who've already showed interest by visiting your website, or the people who've already purchased from you. When they see these different size images, it also helps them from getting ad exhaustion. Number 7, find the right tools for your ad retargeting. There's lots of tools out there that can actually help you do this. Okay, so let's go through each one of these tools you can also use for retargeting, and each one's a little bit different. They do different things. I just want to give you an overview of each one though. The first one is called AdRoll. Now I'm at AdRoll's
actual page here, and you can go to it and read through it, and I would really suggest you did that. But right here it says why AdRoll, and you can click here and you can see it's a growth marketing platform, what kind of things it can do here, and these things get into a lot of detail, but I do want to just show it to you to let you know it's available. If you want to look at pricing, you can click right here, and you're going to have to get started and hook things up to see all the pricing. You set your budget, you set your goals, and you decide what you want to do with it. So the first one is AdRoll. Next one I want to talk about is ReTargeter. Now ReTargeter obviously is a retargeting platform, and it has custom solutions, client services right here, transparency and reach, inventory quality, brand safety, and viewability. And if you want to know more about it, you can click right here to look at all the different information that's in here. And this one here is called ReTargeter.com. Next one I want to talk about is STA Media Group, or STA Media Group. And this here is teaching you how to really remote sales process for high net worth clients, okay? So you can read through here and see all the information on here, and it will tell you everything it's going to do, but it is definitely designed for a whole different way of marketing than the other platforms are, and it'll give you some of the things it'll do down here: remote targeted cold emails, remote gatekeeper conversions, remote residual high ticket, remote exclusive high ticket. And I would look through here and read all this information to see how it's going to benefit you. Next one is actually eBay Enterprise. Now eBay Enterprise actually changed its name not too many years ago, and right down here you can kind of see what it does. It's a distributed order management, omni-channel inventory management, payment processing, fraud management, and advanced reporting. Okay, so it's not as much in the retargeting area, it's just tools really for eBay Enterprise. The next one I want to look at here is called Rubicon. Rubicon's very interesting for business. Right here for businesses, it's got for buyers, sellers, and developers, depending on which category that you fall into. Now right here is the solutions, and as you can see, you can do header bidding, you can do mobile, you can do video, deals management, and right here, here's all the insights. So it's got thought leadership, your press releases, events, and all that good stuff. Really, to get a whole lot of information on Rubicon, you're going to need to fill out this form here, and then they're going to get in touch with you, and then they can tell you about it. This last one is Meteora, and Meteora is an interesting one. Here's the platform right here, where your ads are shown, location, methodology, and it's a really kind of cool one. You can scroll through here and get some information, but you can like look at your competitors. You can find your target audience that is showing coffee shops here. So what you do is you target the right customers based on the stores and places they visit, which is really pretty interesting. Then once you've done that, you augment ad delivery autonomously using real world signals. And right here, you realize success with bleeding edge technology. I like bleeding edge technology. That's some pretty fancy stuff. But it shows you some of the companies that use it: McDonald's, Party City, Sonic. Some pretty big companies use it. And this is really on the higher end level. So you'll want to check that out and see if this really fits into your budget. I don't know what they show for pricing here. Let's take a look how pricing works. I love when they say our pricing is simple, and then they have all of this you have to read, and you have all these different things you have to do. But basically, you can use geofences, live weather, augmentation, tier 1 placements. It gets into some pretty heavy details here. And if you want to get started, you would just click right here and get more information on it. So I just wanted to show you some of these other things you can use in addition to what you would normally do with your advertising, and know that there's other tools out here that are available to you. You will not use all these tools. You may not use any of these tools, but you may use some of them depending on what your needs are. So I just wanted to familiarize you with them, and if you want more information, you can take this video and run it back, rewind it, and look at these once again, and go and get a little bit more research done and decide which one's going to be the best for you.
Now, these 7 things aren't going to completely teach you everything you need to do on your ad retargeting, but they'll get you headed in the right direction, and that's what really counts. Once you get headed in the right direction, you're going to learn from your ad campaigns, you're going to figure stuff out, and you're going to learn what works and what doesn't work. Keep in mind, you've got to keep testing. You got to keep trying different things. I see a lot of people who will try 1 or 2 ads and say, ads don't work for me. Ads work for everybody, as long as you continue to do it and you continue to test new things. Now, have you tried to do any retargeting ads yet? Or do you just have questions about retargeting ads? Put your comments below. I'd love to hear them, and I answer all of your comments. In addition to that, don't forget, I'm giving you a free e-commerce course. It's a $97 value, and you can get it absolutely free. The link is in the description. There's no boring webinars to watch. You don't need a credit card. There's nothing to buy. All you do is click the link and learn. So if you like this video, do me a favor, click that subscribe button down there. Don't forget, smash that bell, turn on all notifications so that I can let you know every time I do a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.